In this lesson, we're going to do a few more problems that involve solving an equation using this addition property of equality. So in the first example here, we have some fractions involved. It says x minus 3/7 equals 3/4. So one way to think of how to decide how to get x by itself is to think to yourself, I am going to do the opposite of what is currently being done to x. Okay, so if I'm subtracting 3/7, what's the opposite of subtracting 3/7? Well, it would be adding 3/7. So I would want to add 3/7 to both sides. That would get x by itself for sure. And then we have 3/4 plus 3/7. Okay. And maybe over on the side here, I'll do all the arithmetic work for 3/4 plus 3/7. So my least common denominator here is going to be 28. So I'll multiply top and bottom of 3/4 by 7, top and bottom of 3/7 by 4. And so what we get here is 21 28ths plus 12 28ths. And so we can add those together, and that will give us 33 28ths. And so we can see that there's no common factors between 33 and 28, so we can give that as our answer. And again, we do not switch this into a mixed number. This is an algebraic problem, so we leave it as an improper fraction. All right, so we look over here. This is the same type of situation. We're subtracting 3.289, so we're going to do the opposite of what's currently being done to y. So we're going to add 3.289 to both sides. So on the left side, all we have left is y. And on the right side, over here, I'll go ahead and carefully do the arithmetic. So we have a 9 and 11, carry the 1. So y equals 10.519. Okay, and then the last situation here, we have a pretty complicated thing happening on this left side. So sometimes you will have to simplify one or both sides of your expression before you can actually solve it. So simplifying is always the first step. It's just we haven't had to do that yet. So if you have like terms that are uncombined, you need to combine them. So we have 3x minus 2x gives me x, and then -3 plus 5 gives me positive 2. So I simplify that left side first, and then once I do that, I can do the opposite of adding 2, which is subtracting 2. So x equals 5 is my solution.